In this video, pag-usapan natin ang C24/7 Naturaceuticals. Umpisa na natin. Alright guys, so ito yung product na i-discuss natin, ang C24/7. And by the way, bago tayo mag-umpisa, if bago ka lang sa aking channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button para lagi kang updated sa ating mga videos. So again, C24/7 Naturaceuticals, ano-ano ba pag-uusapan natin sa product na to? So yan. Una, pag-usapan natin ang manufacturer. Susunod, distribution, active ingredients or mga content, features, at health benefits ng C24/7. So, ang manufacturer ng C24/7 is Nature's Way, isang multi-billion dollar company na based sa US. Okay? More than 50 years na sa gantong business sa paggawa ng mga supplements and considered to be the #1 food supplement company sa buong US. So sila ang gumagawa ng C24/7. Then, ang C24/7 is exclusively distributed by Empowered Consumerism, fueled by Alliance in Motion Global, na na-establish noong 2006. So, over a decade na nag stable sa distribution ng mga ganitong supplement product sa Pilipinas. At considered na #1 MLM company sa buong Asia. At established na rin ito over 200 countries sa buong mundo. So ganun siya ka-stable. So pag-usapan naman natin ng mga active ingredients or content. So una, meron siyang 29 natural vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals, 12 whole fruit blends, 12 whole vegetable blend, 12 microdefense mushroom, 14 superfoods and spirulina blend, 12 digestive enzymes, 12 specialty nutrients, 18 amino acids, 10 essential fatty acids, 5 citrus bioflavonoid complex, 5 anti-aging and antioxidant enhancer, at 4 longevity polyphenols. So ito yung overall content at active ingredients ng C24/7. So pag-usapan naman natin yung features. So yung product ginamitan ng technology or wellness technology. So yung mismong product ay gawa sa plant-based capsule or tinatawag natin na vegetable capsule. Na kung saan, kapag sinabing vegetable capsule, mas mabilis itong ma-absorb ng katawan natin. And it disintegrates up to 5 times faster than other leading brands. At ang kagandahan pa niyan, so ginamitan pa siya ng malulupit na wellness technology. So unahin na natin, after ng vegetable capsule technology, ginamitan ito ng phytoalkatech. So ano ba yung phytoalkatech? So ito yung isang wellness technology na kung saan ina-enhance yung alkalinity ng mismong supplement. Nang sa ganon, maprotektahan niya yung nutrients at maneutralize yung acid sa sikmura natin. So kapag in-intake natin yung mismong supplement. So ano pa? So magtataka kayo, napakadaming active ingredients ng C24/7. Hindi ba ito nagkakakontrahan? Hindi po. Bakit? Dahil sa technology ito na tinatawag na Synertech. So, merong synergistic effect. Meaning, lahat ng ingredients, lahat ng content, pinili at siniguradong ang bawat component na ito ay magkakatulungan. And aside from that, ginamitan din ito ng nanotechnology. So, ang nanotechnology meaning yung nutrients ay mas maliit na sa ating cells. Na kung sa ganon, mas mabilis ito ma-absorb ng katawan natin down to the cellular level. Meaning, kapag healthy ang cells mo, may domino effect yan. Healthy yung organs mo, healthy yung tissues, healthy yung organs, healthy yung buong system sa buong katawan mo. So, ano ba yung mga health benefits ng C24/7? Una, it promotes longevity, lowers cholesterol level, enhances and balances metabolism, prevents degenerative diseases like arthritis, enhances, nourishes, strengthens, balances the immune system, increases the production of inherent glutathione sa katawan natin, rejuvenates the skin, promotes healthy blood circulation, detoxifies the body, reduces fatigue, depression, and anxiety, and enhances sexual vitality. So, ito yung mga health benefits ng C24/7. So, itong video nito, actually may part 2 ito, which is yung English version. So, ito ngayon yung Taglish version natin. So, ito yung Taglish version natin. So, susunod na video na yung upload ko with regards to sa product na ito, English version na. And at the same time, may iba pa tong part na kung saan itong video na ito is just a product info. So, gagawa rin ako ng content nung intensive product presentation itong C24/7. So, again guys, kung nagustuhan mo itong video, make sure to hit the like button at i-press mo na rin ang subscribe button at click yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating mga videos. So, hanggang sa susunod na video, bye!